Good day, partners. How are you today? My name is Vinny Agustin. I'm a shift supervisor at Starbucks Kilometer 97. I've been working here since 2017. During my journey at Starbucks, I've been take part on several competitions, such as Barista Routine Championship at 2018, and also I'm the representative of Region 4 at Barista Creation Challenge 2020. Starbucks is well known for its exceptionally high quality coffees, ethical sourcing, and roasting expertise. Each coffee is selected for the refining qualities that distinguish its region. This careful process, along with our commitment to ethical sourcing standards, demonstrates Starbucks' passion for buying and roasting the world's best coffee. So today, I'm going to tell you about the story of our single origin Latin America coffee, which is Guatemala Antigua. Latin America coffee are a very important part of Starbucks' annual purchase. Some Latin America countries supply many coffees which are suitable for different applications. For example, in Guatemala, we buy coffee from regions like Antigua, Santa Rosa, and Huehuetenango. Because of their different microclimates, soil, and processing tradition, each of this area produce coffee with a unique flavor profile. In here, I'm using Chemex method to highlight the medium body and also the flavor of cocoa and subtle spice. I sort the coffee beans by myself and I choose coffee beans that are smaller and well-shaped to obtain the full taste of this coffee. I choose low mineral water as much as 220 milliliters and 15 grams for ground coffee. For the first step, I'm using 40 grams of water as a blooming step, and then I will wait for 20 seconds. This step is to highlight the sweetness of Guatemala coffee. The second pour, I add 80 grams of water until 1 minute to highlight the acidity. And for the third pour, I add 60 grams of water until 1 minute per second, while the last pour I add 40 grams of water and wait until 2 minutes. This third and fourth pour is to highlight the body of Guatemala Antigua coffee. On the first sip, you'll notice the sweetness of cocoa. Then on the second sip, you'll find a hint of spice such as cumin and cardamom. While the third sip, you'll find the medium acidity with long cocoa aftertaste. The Antigua Valley of Guatemala is treasured for its 100-year-old farms, nutrient-rich volcanic soil, and its coffee, which is the touchstone of the quality. Farmers take enormous pride in tradition they've passed for generations. As a result, the coffee you experience is rich and multidimensional, with a flavor that's consistent, cup after cup, lemon, chocolate, and soft spice notes with an elegant mouthfeel unique to this region. It's why we left this coffee back in '71. The region sits between three volcanoes, Fuego, Acatenango, and Agua. Guatemala Antigua coffee are strictly hard bean coffees grown at elevation from 4,600 feet to 5,600 feet where the temperature range from 19 to 22 degrees Celsius. The rainfall in this region is usually between 800 mm and 1,200 mm each year, with a humidity that stays relatively constant at around 65%. Distinct dry season and wet season provide for a consistent climate that leads to a uniformity of maturation among the coffee plants, with grain coffee harvesting typically occurring from January to the middle of March. Generally considered to be the finest premium coffee ground in Guatemala, Antigua is known to exhibit the typical Guatemalan coffee, which include a full body that's heavier than the typical Central America coffee, and spicy flavor that is often very rich, even velvety. So of course, there's no way to enjoy our coffee without a perfect pairing. I like to mix my favorite cafe mocha with Guatemala Antigua as an espresso. Then you'll find the uniqueness of cocoa flavor with a hint of soft spice that will warm up your mood. Coffee is at our heart, inspiring our craft and driving innovation. In our drinks, our food, our stores, and new ways we bring the Starbucks experience to you wherever you are. So partners, that's all from me. I hope you're all enjoying this video. See you later!